Welcome to day 4. Is it day 4? Yeah, it must be. Of the London vlogs. Today we're off to Canary Wharf and Greenwich, I think. I don't really know. So we've just had breakfast and now we're just getting ready to go. I need to put some lipstick on and do my teeth and then I think we're gonna go. Exciting times! Wait, Lauren, do you want to do an outfit of the day?
Got another nice t-shirt from ASOS again.
Yeah.
This white t-shirt from ASOS.
Yeah, what else?
And then I've got this pencil skirt. I don't know where that's from actually. And I got some fans.
Lovely. I'm going to go and do mine in the mirror. So I've got this blue leopard print type top, which says no bad vibes, from Hollister, if I can show you that bit, there we go. And then I just have this like blue satin velvet type skirt from Primark, and my shoes are also from Primark, and that's pretty much it.
We've arrived at Canary Wharf, ready to see Libby.
We made it.
We're here in Canary Wharf. We're here to meet John at 1 Churchill Place, Barclays head office, where I've worked for 32 years, but I've never actually been to the head office, so quite looking forward to that.
Love it.
Lauren's checking out the super dry rucksack. Here comes Mummy.
Mango. Got some bargain £9.99 trousers. That's bad. I reckon that's the one. If you want a model for your super dry backpacks. Oh my god. Get your backpacks now. Dad, I think that one suits you better. That one definitely suits you better, Dad.
Better light.
Show you my mango product.
What have you got there, Cole?
Sparkly trousers.
Sparkly trousers. Sparkly.
Guess how much they were?
How much were they?
£10.
When your jam drops. Posh toilets.
The next train at Little's 5 and 6.
So we're here at the Cutty Sark.
Where are we off to, Dad?
We're going to hit Jamie's Italian, I think, but we're just going to check out the Cutty Sark. There she is. It's Canary Wharf, where we've just come from. So we found Jamie's Italian for a spot of lunch.
Oh, look, they do little kids and big kids.
The food has come. I've gone for spaghetti and meatballs. Mum, what have you gone for?
I've got a brioche chicken.
She's got a brioche bun. Lauren's got a pizza. Dad's got a brioche bun.
Real?
Get that spicy mayo.
Nom nom nom.
Very nice.
Did you think I was a stranger? Did you think I was a stranger?
Just come out of Jamie's Italian. Very nice lunch, wasn't it, Mum? Well, actually, it was a really late lunch, early tea. That's the one. But now we're in, where are we? Greenwich Park. And it's very nice here actually. Dad's trying to look at the map, trying to figure out where we are. Because, you know, his directions aren't exactly the best, as you probably gathered. Where are we heading?
So we're here the National Maritime Museum.
Yeah.
And we're going to hopefully head up Jubilee Avenue to the Royal Observatory.
Okay, this sounds exciting.
We get a nice view.
What are we going to observe though?
Observe the whole of Greenwich Park.
Observe some plants. Stop.
Go.
Focus it.
Yeah.
Focus, we're going to run.
Watch the one.
So we made it to the top of Greenwich Park. You can see central London, Canary Wharf and the old Naval College, right round to the O2 Stadium.
Dad, what have we done?
Bringing home the bacon.
Hell yes. Got our chicken nuggets.
Dad, I want my chicken nuggets.
I want my chicken nuggets.
Yeah, she said I get the bus for free on the second go. That's good.
If you catch the second bus,
Do you want some chicken nuggets?
Oh, I'm stuffed. Well, good.
I'm not.
Bus free anyway.
Chicken nuggets. Are we getting off? Finally got my nuggets. Oh my god.
Wait, so when are we getting off? Well, shall we have time to start them?
When I read it, so I feel like it was good. Good story there. What he does really well. It's quite good, interesting. So it's a good part. He writes very interesting characters.
Nice moist nuggets. We're gonna go flying.
So you should.
Enjoying your Oasis?
Yeah.
Let's do a food taste test. She's already had 3 of the nuggets. Oh,
I love nuggets. Everyone's jealous right now.
Nice little floral pattern handle that Coley uses to strap her hand onto. Where's that from, Coley? Any recommendations?
Home bargains.
Home bargains. You see that right there? Home bargains. What? Carl's with our eye.
I think we should stop here for tea.
Where do you need to go? Maybe.
We need to get Jubilee to Waterloo.
We're just in the middle of nowhere. We can't. Oh, the lift's down here. The lift's down there. The lift's down there.
Turn it on.
Yeah.
Oh my god, guys. Is it on?
Why is it running?
It is on. The underground that we're trying to get on is not running. So we have no way of getting home. It's rush hour.
Just
we're in Canary
because it's
Wharf.
busy, don't mean it's not
Why don't we
running.
get back to where we were?
Oh, we're not going all the way back.
Because the boat goes.
We'll get some more chicken nuggets and then we'll get home. Absolute carnage. How are we getting home, Dad? Oh.
Helicopter.
I think we're going to have to get the boat, you know?
The concourse, is that right?
Absolute carnage.
Concourse?
Right, okay, now we're really confused, Mum. What is he doing?
I really don't know.
Like, honestly, I thought we were getting the boat. What are we doing now? We're supposed to go up.
We're going to go across the now.
Like, what
It doesn't
the
matter
hell?
where you go, Dad. They're still on the same platform. It's just further over.
Guys, oh my god, this just proves how much Dad doesn't know about directions. He made us across the whole road to try and get a lift. Turns out we were in the right lift, but went to the wrong floor. What the hell is happening? We're not going to get home till about midnight. Dad, we're back where we started. Oh my god.
We're just trying to get home.
Dad, what are we going to do?
Back where we started.
We're going to get some more chicken mutton nuggets. We're on our way now to go and get the boat. Are you excited? Yeah? Well, we think there's a boat. Apparently it's every 20 minutes, but we don't actually know. There is a boat, do we, Mum?
We think it ended at 3.
We think it ended at 3, so we don't even know if we're getting on a boat. But we're now back, literally where we started, and
the bongo man is still going.
And the man is still going. Hell yes! Laurie, give us a dance. Is that it? Should I film him? Lauren, how are we getting home? Come closer. Oh my god, the Cutty Sark's taking us home. This is not happening now.
It's closed, all shutters are down.
My god, the shutters for the boat is literally, oh my god.
We need to go back on
Mum, we're not going to be able to get home. Like, this is not even a joke now. We're like the other side of London.
Oh no, it's open, it's open.
Wait.
It's open.
Where?
There.
Oh my god, guys, I think it might be open. The Thames Clipper bit's open. Oh my god. Let's go! Lauren, how excited?
Has she got a ticket?
Luggage and other notices
Mum,
around
you
the
enjoying
outside
it?
deck.
Dad.
Yeah, they are.
Mum, we made it.
We made it, girl.
Finally, we're back. The London Eye's here. We're going back to the hotel for a nice rest, Mum.
I don't think it'll be much of a rest, Coles.
Oh, this is a bit scary. What if it falls? Oh, Mum, we've made it. Hell to the yes.
I don't know what you've been told, but this guy right here's gonna rule the world. Yeah, that is where I'm gonna be, because I wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still, look pretty.